picture that looks like this can also look like this. If you want to know how, keep watching. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Spear. I'm a makeup artist, hairstylist based in Abuja, Nigeria. Please hit that subscribe button before we begin this video. Hit the subscribe button, it is free, and also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Okay, as the thumbnail says, this video is a tutorial on how I edit my beauty pictures, and the app I use is Facetune, and that's what I'm going to do in this video today. So this is my picture, the picture I'm going to use for this tutorial. As you can see, the eyes are red, and this was caused by the contact lens. The model I use for this tutorial, I know there's a video on this look on this channel, so you can check it out as well. It was her first time wearing contact lens, so we really had trouble inserting it, so that's why I'm going to use this picture for this editing. So let's begin. I'm going to start with the eyes, and first I'm using the free version. This is not the paid version, so that's why I'm using this. The particular feature I'm using for this is supposed to be for the teeth, but because I'm using the free version, that's why I'm using it, and it works well as well. I think the paid version, you not need to use your finger or something to clean it or wipe it off. I think there's some button that you just need to swipe or push for it to clean or wipe it off for you. But okay, since we are doing free, we have to go through the stress. So just watch and learn. It looks okay like this, but let's zoom in again and see. Oh, we still have work to do, so I'll have to swipe some more until this blood is completely out and we have a nice, crispy, clean, Instagram worthy picture. Instagram worthy. So let's get it done. Let's go again. The main focus of this editing is the eyes for me. I like the eyes clean enough, crispy clean, and if the model is smiling or the client is smiling, I like the teeth also clean. As you can see, my work is okay, but you still need the editing. So if you're one of those that says, oh, my work is clean, and you don't have up to 5 lights, then you need to edit. Even the ones that have all those lighting still edit their pictures, and some are even using digital camera or hiring a professional photographer to take and edit their pictures. But we are at the beginning level, so let's learn together. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel and you've watched this video up to this point, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and we'll leave a comment later. So I'm done with the eyes. It's time to clean the teeth, and this is what I do. Well, for the teeth, her teeth is already clean. It's just the camera and the lighting that made it a bit dirty. Should I call it that way? Yeah. So I'm just going to clean it a bit, and that will be it with the teeth. Refining. Moving on, next will be the smoothing or smoothing of the skin. She has a clear skin, a very beautiful skin, so I don't need to do too much, so that's why I reduce the smoothing to 40. So I'm going to be working on that 40. If you're still with me and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on all post notification. Give this video a thumbs up right now. I'm sure you're learning something from this video. That's why you're still watching. So please give it a thumbs up. Okay? Thank you. almost done. Almost done. Now let's take a look at our picture and see the difference. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'm done with editing on Facetune. Let's move to the next phase. You thought I was done? No. Let's move to the next phase of this editing tutorial. Yeah. So what I do is edit it with my normal phone camera. I use iPhone 7 Plus and I like to add a bit of colors just to pop. I like to use the vibrance on the camera settings or on the camera editing settings. I use vibrance, and on this I'm using vibrance at 60. And also I'll use saturation to saturate the colors. I'll use brilliance. I'll use warmth. Then I'll also sharpen the picture. Quality is what we're going for. Instagram worthy, and if it's Instagram worthy, then it's any other social media worthy. So that's the goal. That's the goal in 2022. So if you're a beauty vlogger or a makeup artist, then you're welcome. And if you're learning for someone, then you're also welcome. Don't forget to share this video as well. You might be helping someone, so please share the video. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do so. Subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you do. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know what video you like to see next, if you like content like this. And make sure to check out my channel. You also see other interesting videos to watch and learn something. So this is it for this tutorial. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two or more. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.